when I'm on YouTube, basically, an ad pops up and it's Grammarly!
Bro, what the hell? I understand it's Grammarly, but like, stop screaming.
So, basically, it goes, do you ever need help with your writing? Well, we got the...
Okay, I get it that you don't like Grammarly, nor do I, but stop screaming. Even her glass will be scared of. He is the bravest man in the history.
I don't need help! I've gotten through elementary school, okay? And I'm currently in middle school.
You're in middle school and we have to learn grammar up to like high school. Just like, do you even have common sense?
So yes! Thank you.
Do I think that the thank you is gonna make it okay? That thank you was the worst thank you I've ever heard.